Did you know that by the time you reach 80, you could have lost as much as half of your muscle mass compared to when you were younger? It may sound shocking, but it's a harsh reality for many seniors. The loss of muscle mass is more than just a matter of feeling weaker. It can lead to a condition called sarcopenia, which is silently affecting millions of older adults, robbing them of their strength, balance, and independence. In fact, over 50 million seniors across the globe are impacted by this, and each year, more than 300,000 elderly people end up in hospitals due to falls caused by weak muscles. But here's the thing. Recent research has completely overturned the long-held belief that muscle loss is an inevitable part of aging. In fact, studies published in top journals such as the Journal of Physiology show that while some people experience significant muscle loss as they age, others, even into their 70s and 80s, maintain the strength, mobility, and appearance of someone much younger. So, what's their secret? Why do some people struggle with basic tasks like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs, while others are still hiking mountains, playing sports, and lifting weights far beyond their years? Here's the kicker. Nearly 93% of seniors have no idea about the habits that can actually reverse or slow down muscle loss. Even more surprising is that many doctors fail to mention them, leaving their patients vulnerable to the effects of aging. According to top researchers from renowned institutions like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School, there are proven habits that can help seniors rebuild strength, restore muscle mass, and maintain independence well into old age. But despite this knowledge, most people are unknowingly making one crucial mistake every single day, one that accelerates muscle loss without them even realizing it. It's a simple mistake, but by correcting it, you could make the difference between staying active and independent or needing assistance with everyday tasks. In today's video, we'll break down the 7 daily habits of the strongest seniors, those who continue to outperform people half their age in strength tests, those who are still capable of doing physical activities that most people their age wouldn't even dream of. These habits are the secrets behind their resilience. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Let's jump in. Habit number 7, Hormetic Stress, the strength secret, hiding in plain sight. The first habit we're going to explore is something that most people overlook as they age, hormetic stress. Now, you might be thinking, stress? Isn't stress the enemy, especially as we get older? Well, it turns out that a little bit of stress, when done right, can actually make your body stronger. It's called hormetic stress, a term for controlled, short bursts of stress that can have long-term benefits on your body. And it's not just about physical workouts. You've probably already experienced it without realizing. For example, taking a cold shower that leaves you feeling alert, or sitting in a sauna, where afterward you feel completely recharged. Those aren't just mood boosters. They activate powerful, age-defying processes within your cells. When you expose your body to brief periods of stress, like cold exposure, heat exposure, or even intermittent fasting, you activate survival mechanisms that help protect muscles, boost mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells, and trigger repair hormones that keep your body functioning optimally for longer. Let's talk about cold exposure for a moment. A simple technique like finishing your shower with 30 to 60 seconds of cold water can trigger the production of a hormone called adiponectin, which helps prevent muscle breakdown. And regular sauna use has been linked to up to 40% less muscle loss in older adults, according to a Finnish study. Another powerful tool is intermittent fasting. Narrowing your eating window to 8 to 10 hours each day has been shown to improve muscle cell function by up to 10% in just 12 weeks, without any weight loss or loss of strength. Even something as simple as isometric contractions, pushing or pulling against a stable object with full effort for just 5 to 10 seconds, can stimulate muscle building signals, all while minimizing strain on your joints. The key here is moderation. Too much stress can have the opposite effect, but when done right, these brief periods of discomfort can actually turn on longevity genes that help preserve your muscle mass over time. Habit number 6, protein timing, the overlooked muscle multiplier. If you're looking to maintain your muscle mass as you age, protein is essential. But there's something even more important than the amount of protein you're eating. It's when you eat it. For many older adults, muscle loss occurs because they don't eat protein at the right times throughout the day. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscle. This phenomenon is called anabolic resistance. Simply put, our muscles don't respond to protein the same way they did when we were younger. So it's not enough to just eat a big serving of protein at dinner. You need to spread your protein intake throughout the day. Most seniors make a common mistake by eating very little protein at breakfast and lunch, and then overloading on it at dinner. But that one big serving at the end of the day won't have the same effect as smaller, more balanced doses throughout the day. To counter this, aim for about 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at every meal, including breakfast. Instead of just having toast or cereal in the morning, try incorporating Greek yogurt, eggs, or a protein smoothie. For lunch and dinner, opt for lean meats, fish, tofu, legumes, or dairy. A study by the University of Texas found that seniors who followed this strategy gained 1.2 pounds of muscle in just 12 weeks without changing anything else in their routine. No extra workouts, no supplements, just smarter timing of protein. Not only does spreading protein intake help with muscle retention, but it also supports better blood sugar control, appetite management, and even cognitive function. Habit 5. Vitamin D, the quiet killer of strength. You've probably heard about vitamin D in relation to bone health, but did you know it plays a critical role in preserving muscle strength as well? Shockingly, over 80% of older adults are vitamin D deficient, and many don't even realize it. But here's the issue. Muscle cells have vitamin D receptors, and without enough of this vital nutrient, your muscles can't function properly. In fact, seniors with optimal vitamin D levels have been shown to have 25% greater muscle strength than those who are deficient. They also tend to have faster reaction times, better balance, and a lower risk of falls, all of which are essential for maintaining independence. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. So even if you're spending time outdoors, you may still not be getting enough. The recommended daily amount of vitamin D for seniors is about 600 IU, but studies show that for many people, that's too low to reach optimal levels. Most experts now suggest a range of 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, especially if you don't get enough sun exposure or consume vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy. However, there's one catch. If you're supplementing with vitamin D, make sure you're also getting enough vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 helps direct calcium to the bones and muscles instead of the arteries, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Habit 4. Chronic inflammation. The silent muscle thief. Another hidden culprit behind muscle loss is chronic low-grade inflammation, often referred to as inflammaging. Unlike the noticeable inflammation that comes with an injury or infection, chronic inflammation is subtle and silent, but it can wreak havoc on your muscles over time. In simple terms, chronic inflammation makes it harder for your body to build muscle and easier for it to break down. A study from Tufts University found that seniors with higher levels of inflammation lost muscle mass 3 times faster than those with lower levels. Even with the same diet and exercise routine, chronic inflammation can interfere with the body's ability to build and maintain muscle. The good news is that superagers, seniors who maintain strong muscles and good health, have found ways to keep inflammation low. Simple habits like prioritizing quality sleep, supporting gut health, balancing workouts, and eating anti-inflammatory foods such as omega-3s, curcumin, polyphenols, and olive oil, can go a long way in protecting your muscles from the ravages of inflammation. Reducing inflammation not only helps preserve muscle mass, but also improves overall health. Habit 3. Micronutrients. The muscle supporters. Lastly, let's talk about micronutrients, the often overlooked supporting players that are critical for muscle health. These tiny nutrients may not build muscle directly, but without them, your body won't be able to use the protein you eat or benefit from the exercise you do. One of the most important micronutrients for muscle health is magnesium. It plays a vital role in muscle contraction, energy production, and recovery. Over 70% of older adults are deficient in magnesium, which can lead to weakened muscles and poor physical performance. Other key micronutrients include creatine, which helps muscles store energy and improves both strength and cognition, and vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health, energy metabolism, and muscle signaling. Many seniors are deficient in B12, particularly those taking certain medications like proton pump inhibitors or metformin. Trace minerals like zinc, selenium, and chromium also play a crucial role in muscle repair, reducing oxidative stress, and improving nutrient absorption in muscle tissue. By ensuring you're getting enough of these micronutrients, you'll help support your muscle health and optimize the effects of your diet and exercise routine. Habit 2. Resistance training. The fountain of youth for muscles. There's no getting around it. If you don't use your muscles, you lose them. And the strongest seniors in the world all have one thing in common. They move weight. That doesn't mean you need to hit the gym and bench press hundreds of pounds, but it does mean incorporating some form of resistance training into your weekly routine. What makes resistance training so powerful is that it directly targets the age-related process of muscle loss. Research from Harvard shows that seniors who engage in just 2 resistance workouts per week can reduce muscle loss by up to 50%, improve balance, and dramatically lower their risk of falls. The key is progressive overload, which simply means gradually increasing the difficulty over time, adding a few more reps, a little more weight, or a longer hold. This triggers your muscles to grow stronger in response to the challenge. And here's a surprising bonus. Resistance training doesn't just help your body, it helps your brain. Studies show that seniors who lift weights score better on memory and focus tests, thanks to increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a compound that boosts brain health. If you had to pick only one physical habit to slow down aging, resistance training might be the closest thing we have to the real fountain of youth. Habit 1. Movement throughout the day, the missing piece. Now, here's the habit that ties everything together. Move often. Not just during your workouts, but all day long. Even if you're hitting the gym 3 times a week, if the rest of your day is spent sitting, on the couch, in the car, at the computer, you're still at risk of muscle loss and mobility decline. This phenomenon is known as the active couch potato effect. You exercise, yes, but you're sedentary the rest of the time. And your muscles don't like that. The strongest seniors make movement a lifestyle. They walk after meals. They take the stairs instead of the elevator. They stretch, garden, dance, clean, cook, or play with their grandkids. Every bit of movement helps maintain muscle activation and promotes blood flow, which is critical for muscle repair and health. In conclusion, muscle loss as we age doesn't have to be a given. By adopting these simple, science-backed habits, you can stay strong, active, and independent, well into your golden years. In the next part of this video, we'll explore the final 2 habits that can transform your muscle health and give you back control over your aging process. You won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your strength is your freedom, so protect it, build it, and celebrate it every day.